Hey guys, it's your realtor Erica Hernandez and
Elizabeth Cencini
with Houston
Top Realty.
Did you guys miss us? Because I missed you.
Oh my gosh,
These are so fun. These are so
in the
fun.
summertime, everybody takes a vacation or a little break, and
I did have a little 4th of July fun too, which was nice with family and What did you do for 4th of July?
I went to the island.
Oh, Galveston. She's always at Galveston on a boat. Always on a boat somewhere. So, very cool. So, we have a really cool topic, even though I would say times are a little bit rough right now. We were talking about that, right?
Yeah.
We both have been in real estate 9 years?
Yes.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. So in the 9 years we've been in real estate, this has been the biggest slowdown, but it's not dead. Mm-hmm. We have a podcast on that. It's not dead, but there are some solutions for our buyers that we want to talk about today.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay? So let's go ahead and get started.
Okay, so if you're a buyer and you're looking to buy, one of the options, especially if you're looking for a resale home, this is definitely, there's always a plus if you want to build new construction, right?
Yeah, we love those. We're at a new construction right now.
In any market, new construction always does good.
It does.
But anyways, what I was going to say, if you want to buy a resale home, you do have the option, and that is the ASSUMABLE mortgage. So if you guys haven't heard about that,
you probably haven't.
Yes, you probably
because we haven't needed
right
assumable loan. So tell us a little bit about it and I'll give my tips on
yes so absolutely. So on the assumable mortgage, you could definitely take over the interest rate and have the same mortgage payment that the seller has right now, and it's kind of like the magic button to kind of soothe things right now. What do you think, Erica?
So same. Some people got 2s, some people got 3s, and some people were not so lucky, but they got 4s.
Right.
So if anyone has a 2 or 3 or 4 currently, and they're only for FHA and VA, don't get caught up in the details, but certain loans, you can assume their interest rate. So would you not love to pick up on somebody else's payment at a 2%?
Right, absolutely.
How is this even possible?
I know. And a lot of people don't know that they have this option. I think it's because you do have to come up with the difference, right?
Okay, and we'll talk about that next.
So yes. So
let's close off on what the assumable loan is.
Okay.
So if a person got their loan 3 years ago, then they only have to pay now 27 years, if the math is right? That's mathing. So let's say their loan, they only have 27 years to pay, and then their interest rate is 2%, 3%. You can qualify to pick up where they left off. Here's where now the trick is. There's a difference between what they owe and what they're selling for.
Right.
So let's say they built in the last 3 years, they built 30 grand in equity. How are they going to get that money? Because it's not as simple as I'm going to come pick up where they left off. You can do that, but part 2 is how are you going to pay for the gap? So there's some options there. What have you heard about the gap? What can you do with the gap?
Well, I mean, you have cash saved.
That's the best one.
The best one, right?
Easy peasy.
Because we always want to already have that cash at hand.
Yeah.
But if you don't, you can take out a second loan.
Second loan.
Yeah.
So you would have to qualify for loan number 1 with the low rate, and then you have to apply for loan number 2, and we'll help guide you because not a lot of lenders in Houston are able to do that.
Right.
I've made a million calls, and if you're a lender and you're watching and you can do second mortgages on assumable loans, call us, please.
Yes, absolutely.
I've called everyone in Houston, and there is one that you have to call me for to find out.
Yes. And if you want the list of homes that are available for the assumable mortgage, let us know. We will get you the list. It'll be a custom list just for what you want and what you need, your price budget, your area, and you will have tons of homes on that list. So don't be afraid to contact us. Let us know that you need the help, okay?
Yeah. So if you tell us, hey, I only have 10 grand, I only have 20 grand, we'll find you homes that only have that much equity. If not, and you fall in love with the home, then we'll get you connected to someone who can do the second mortgage, okay? The idea there is if you get a second mortgage, you rush to pay that one off first. So
Right,
let's say you
right.
have like a 5-year, 10-year plan, you pay off that second mortgage quick.
Right.
So you can just go back to your 2 or 3%.
Right, exactly.
I mean, I just don't know why we're not advertising this more.
And the thing is that it only came up now
True,
because
okay.
the
True
market
statement.
slowed down. So, because it did slow down, this is why we're talking about it. So, if you're ready to make that next big step to buying a home, don't let any obstacle come between you and your goal.
Yeah.
We're here to help and serve, okay?
Yeah, so call us if you have any questions about assumable loans. We'll get you the list. We'll make sure we get you connected to whoever we need to and assist you throughout the whole process. Because we're educated on this, we're gonna make sure you're taken care of. Don't just go directly to people and assume that they know about assumable loans. Sorry, I'm so cheesy. No, but for real, like I had a conversation with the buyer and I said, hey, I know a lot about this. I'm real educated on it. I said, if you go to another agent, they're gonna tell you, because I've had that conversation.
Yes.
I really don't know. I don't think the seller's interested. I've made those calls like, hey, I see you have an assumable loan. Can the seller consider? And they're like, I don't know. And so you don't want to work with the agent like that.
Right, right.
Someone who's educated, so.
Yes, and you know, that's what we're here to do. We're here to offer help, and in any situation that you may get into, whether it be a resale or new construction. By the way, I just want to say that we are today in Castle Rock.
Thank you, Castle Rock.
Castle Rock's home actually rocks. Like,
Yeah,
it's
you're cheesy too. We're the two cheese balls. Our names both start with an E. And we are both in real estate. We're both boss babes. Like, that's just who we are. But yeah, Castle Rock does rock.
Yes, I actually really love this kitchen. This is the biggest kitchen I've been in as far as like, you know, the homes that I've seen that are new construction. What they did was they kind of took the dining room and they meshed it with the kitchen. So this is a dino kitchen mix, and it's huge because there's cabinets, which I don't know
everywhere.
If you love to cook, you need a lot of cabinet space, and this one has it all. So I love this plan. It's a beautiful plan. This is called a concho, right?
The concho.
Concho. Concho.
Like a poncho, but concho. And it's around 2,800 square feet. It has a super high ceiling. We'll show you guys in the living room area.
Behind us.
Yeah, the stairs look so cute. Upstairs there's a game room, and then there's a room with a bathroom. They call them like junior suites or secondary, primary. I don't know.
Right. Well, what I really love about this home is the value. I couldn't believe the amount per square foot for this home
in Pearland.
So if you're looking for value on the price per square foot and the lot, because the lot is what, 55, 60 foot lot?
I'm glad you brought that up.
Yeah.
So yeah, the lots here are 50, 55, and I think 60. So what that means is you're further away from your neighbors.
Right.
That's key. I mean, you might not have a big backyard or big front yard, but the space between the homes is 50, 60 to 65 square feet.
Yes.
That's the front.
And you are still gonna get all the perks, which is the covered patios and the all the upgrades that you see behind me.
Right.
So definitely check this out. Make sure that if you come, though, you call us.
Oh my gosh, please don't come without us. I've said that many times. Like, once you guys go somewhere for new construction and you don't let us come with you, they may push us out and then you're unrepresented. So
and
that's okay.
And the goal is to always represent you, because the goal is, well, what is in this contract? There's many times where you may not have some problems with the home, and that's where we step in and really save you from this contract and help you get more acknowledgement and more help, more power, more muscle in that contract. So absolutely.
And if we're gonna use like a summer term, because I am cheesy, we are your life jacket. Okay, we are going to make sure that you're safe in the waters. Okay, so don't jump in the water without a life jacket. Don't go to new construction without a realtor. Okay. That's it for today, guys. We hope you enjoyed our podcast. We missed you so much. We hope you guys missed us too.
Yes.
So until next time, see ya.
See ya. Bye-bye.
Bye.